Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are going to make the Rachael Ray's Messy Giuseppe. We are going off of a video that we watched and we are super excited to try this. I have everything chopped up and ready to go for him. We're going to the pan nice and preheated and we're going to get started. So I have laid everything out for him to put this together. I also chopped up the peppers, the onions, the garlic. I've pulled everything out he could possibly need for this recipe. We're getting prepped and ready to go. We're gonna make some messy Giuseppe. All right, so now we're gonna get the sausage prepared. He's gonna get these sausages out of their casings and ready for the pan. We're using hot Italian and mild. Is it mild or sweet?
I think it's mild.
Ooh, is it mild? Okay, mild Italian and hot Italian.
Mild.
Yep. The video also said sun-dried tomato paste. We couldn't find that, but we did have some sun-dried tomatoes, so I chopped those up and we're gonna add it in when we add the tomato paste. All right, so we're gonna add the onions and the peppers first. Get them nice and sweated out. That's the Cubanelle pepper, and then we had some frozen peppers that we keep in the freezer that we just kind of thawed out because we didn't think that one was just enough. So we have some others coming in. Salt and pepper to the pan. In goes the meat. Okay, we're going in with the seasonings now, and it's about a tablespoon of each of this. Garlic powder, parsley, paprika, basil, onion powder, ancho chili pepper, fennel. Now he's just going to stir it to combine. Okay, now he's going in with the raw garlic, and we're going to stir that and mix it in with the meat. This is us watching the video again to make sure that we're not missing anything. A few turns of the pan of a good red wine.
Absorbing into the meat.
Cheers, my sweet friends.
That squirts.
Yeah, there you go. That's enough.
Next, we're going to add a small can of tomato paste. We used the whole can because we doubled the recipe that we were watching. Now he's going to go in with a full container of beef broth. Now we're going to add the sun-dried tomatoes that I had diced up for him. Now he's going to add in a few dashes of the Worcestershire sauce. Now he's going to add in a full can of a tomato puree. Now we're going to add in a little sprinkle of sugar. Now we're just going to let it simmer for a little bit. My guy gave it a taste test and decided to add just a little bit more of the previous seasonings. Me desperately trying not to burn my mouth. But I wanted a taste test.
That's good.
We took Italian bread and smeared roasted garlic, put some Parm cheese and parsley on it, and toasted it up. We also added 1 slice of provolone and 1 slice of mozzarella on top. Okay, friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.